Hi! I have a special book today, and it is called Shabbat Hiccups. Have you had hiccups before? Let's listen to this story. Shabbat Hiccups by Tracy Newman. Every week, Jonah looked forward to Shabbat. He loved Grandma's matzo soup, the warm glow of the Shabbat candles, and playing all day on Saturdays. But this Friday afternoon, when Jonah set the soup spoons on the dinner table, something happened. What do you think is going to happen? Let's see. Jonah's cousin Eden tiptoed toward him, carrying the Shabbat challah. Boo! She yelled. Jonah jumped. Whoa, what was that for? Eden smiled. Just trying to scare your hiccups away before we eat. It seems like if you scare someone that has hiccups, the hiccups will go away. Let's try that next time. Oi, hiccups, exclaimed Grandma Sue. Mom handed Jonah a vase of flowers for the table, she said. Pretty, said his little sister Abby. But all Jonah could do was hiccup. Grandma Sue gave Jonah the sugar bowl. Try eating some sugar. That always works for me. Jonah scooped a spoonful into his mouth. Everyone waited. Everyone was quiet. And then, hiccup! The family gathered around the table as Mom lit candles and said the blessings. Jonah worked hard to hold his hiccups. Look, they're saying the Shabbat candles blessings. But when Dad bent down to kiss the children, Jonah couldn't keep them any longer. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Goodness, how do you think he's feeling about that? These hiccups don't want to go away, said Dad. Maybe you should try drinking some water. Grandma Sue interrupted as she handed Jonah a glass. Jonah swallowed the water in one gulp. Everyone waited. Everyone was quiet. Do you think the hiccups went away? Phew, said Jonah. I think my hiccups are gone. Hooray! Everyone cheered. On Saturday, Jonah, Abby, and Eden played hide and seek, built block towers with Dad, and listened to Mom read a story. They're having a really good time in their own home. How do you have a good time in your house? When the sunlight faded, Dad opened the front door. Let's take a walk. We can see who spots the end of Shabbat stars first. When you see stars in the sky, that means Shabbat is over. Eden looked up. The sky is getting dark. Abby pointed. Pink clouds. Mom smiled. We've had such a lovely Shabbat. Today has been really great, agreed Jonah. And I'm so happy that hiccups. Oh no, he got his hiccups again. My goodness. Oh no, well, Jonah, they're back. Oh no, agreed Grandma Sue. Look, Abby tugged Grandma Sue's hand. 3 stars in the sky, Shabbat is over. I wish my hiccups were over too. We'll get rid of them, promised Mom. But now it's time for Havdalah. When they got home, Jonah filled the kiddush cup with grape juice. Dad lit the special braided candle. Mom said the blessings, holding the kiddush cup high. Then she added, sweet juice to remember our sweet Shabbat together. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Oh. Eden recited the blessings on the spices and passed around a box of cinnamon sticks and cloves. Everyone took turns smelling the delicious scents. Dad smiled. These spices help carry our Shabbat memories into the week. Yummy, said Abby. Mom said the blessings over the candle, gazing at her fingertips as she held them close to the tall flame. After that, she smiled at the children and said, a special light to brighten and warm our week. Dad said the final blessing and drank from the Kiddush cup. Abby, Mom, even and Grandma Sue took turns drinking juice. Grandma Sue handed the cup to Jonah. Maybe a big sip will help get rid of those hiccups. Do you think that will help? I'll try, Jonah said and finished all but a few drops. Dad poured the remaining juice into a bowl. Mom dipped in the burning candles, just like what we do at Havdalah. Do you think they're going to hear a sizzle? The flame hissed and sizzled and went out. Everyone waited. Everyone was quiet. Woohoo! Jonah exclaimed. I think my hiccups are finally gone. Mama gave him a big hug. Shavua tov. Have a good week, said Dad. But then something happened. Oh no, don't tell me. Oh no, let's see. Hiccup! Oh no, cried Grandma Sue. Oh no, agreed Jonah. He handed Grandma Sue a glass of water. It's Grandma Sue's turn to get the hiccups. Goodness, I hope they don't last that long. So, Shabbat Shalom.